Myself, Dr. P.T. Gandhimadi, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce Computer Applications, V.V. Vaneparmal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In this video, we have to discuss about how to crack the data with the help of Excel. Master your data, master your decision. This YouTube video is very useful for analysis purpose. If you have a project work, then you have to use this as a guidance. Questionnaire. What is a questionnaire? Questionnaire is a list of questions asked for the respondents for particular purpose, that is survey. The questions should be in multiple choice questions. The questionnaire should include different questions types to collect for what purpose? To get accurate data, to understand the perceptions and behaviors of the respondents, then for the analysis purposes. Question types. There are many types of questions. Particularly, we have used the following type of questions in a project work. Demographic questions or socioeconomic variable questions. Closed-ended questions, then Likert scale question, ranking question, multiple choice question. Let us discuss about one by one. Socioeconomic questions. In these questions, we have to ask about socioeconomic variables such as age, gender, educational level, occupation, income level, marital status, family size of the respondents. These are all helps to get the personal details of the respondents for the purpose of the study. We have to give as a age. If you are taking as a age, you have to give in chronological order. That is below 20 or 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, just like that. Gender, you have to classify as male, female, then other identities. Then educational level. In this, you have to ask the respondents to mention the highest qualification. If the respondent studied UG and PG, they have to tick PG, just like that. Then this is the example for the socioeconomic variables. That is, I take the digital payments, it's a need of the hour. So I specify name, age, gender and educational qualification, occupation. In occupation, we can classify as private employee, government employee, student, businessman, housewives. Then if you feel any other classification, you can include. Then closed-ended questions. There should be a fixed set of responses only we have to collect. This is very useful for comparison purpose and analyze. The model question is, do you use digital payments? The respondents are give yes or no. Then Likert scale question. This is the very important in research work. Likert gives the 5-point scaling, 3-point scaling, 7-point scaling. Normally in project work we have to use Likert 5-point scaling technique. In this we have to give strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. That is, some statements are given to the respondents how they feel about that, they accept or not. For example, in this questionnaire, I asked digital payments save time in daily transactions. According to the respondent's opinion, if they feel strongly agree, they can tick in 5. If they feel this is not agree, then disagree with that statement, they have to tick in point number 2. Just like that, some statements are given for the Likert 5-point scaling. Next one, ranking question. Just like that, we have to give the rank, which it accused first rank, second rank, third rank. Just like that, in this questionnaire also we have to give. Just like previous example, digital payment methods. Which digital payment method the respondents mostly used? UPI, debit card or credit card, internet banking, mobile wallets, QR coding. According to my opinion, I use net banking. So I provide first rank for internet banking. Just like that, the respondents' views can be collected by asking this question. Then multiple choice questions. This is the question which is asked to the respondents for more than 2 types are selected by the respondents. For example, digital payments method do you use? I already told I use net banking, card, ATM card, then UPI payment methods, then ballots. So I tick both 4 options. So here the number of responses can be more than that of the respondents, number of respondents. Then come to the data analysis. The data can be collected through the Google form or it may be in the printed form. If it is a Google form, then automatically it saves in the data in Excel sheet. You can download it and use it. If you are collect the data in printed form, you have to enter the data in Excel sheet. So we are kept ready for the references for analysis. First one, we have to break down the large set of data into meaningful data. This is very, very helpful for decision making, planning and problem solving. The statistics is very, very useful for the government to analyze the data and bring the new policies. Just like that, we have to use the data analysis. Then this is the example sheet, whether I include age, gender, qualification, occupation, digital payments, then 5-point scaling methods, then rank one by one. We have to enter like this. Then clean the data before you crack. If you are collecting the data through Google Forms, there is no duplication of the work. If you are enter the data in a Excel sheet, there may be a duplication of work. So first we have to clean the data. Cleaning means kept the data for ready. So we have to remove the duplicates. Before removing the duplicates, you have to keep original data as safe and do it in the other one. That is, you have to save the file and do it in the other one. Original data should be kept as reference. So steps to clean the data. You have to go to data range, then go to data tab, data tools group, remove duplicates. Then we have to check that messy data, wrong results can be found. So we have to clean it first. This is the example. So in this, in the data tab, there is I circle that this is the duplication of work. First we have to remove the duplications. We have to click. In this I collected 30 respondents, but in this 32, 33, that is first column is for heading, then other 30 respondents plus there are 2 duplication. I marked this in highlighted way. So I go to that. Then in this there is no number for 32 and 33. So the dialog box displays that 2 duplicate data are cleaned. Then basic tools. Normally we have to use the functions, what are the functions we have used is sum, average, countif. Countif function is very useful for counting your large number of data. So come to the next one. We have to use the formula countif. The formula is, select the range cell. You have to, the formulas is always started with equal to countif. Then we have to select the cell range. Then the answer will be just like that. Rank 1 for this, strongly agree, strongly disagree, 7 members. Then for first statement, then 6 members, then 10, then 7, 7. Just like that, we have to use the countif formula, which is highlighted here. Then percentage analysis. What do you mean by percentage analysis? Normally, we have to calculate the number of members, number of respondents and divided by total number of respondents into 100. So we have to use this for yes or no questions, then agree or disagree, 2 type of question, open-ended question. Already we have seen about the open-ended question. For open-ended questions, we have to use this percentage analysis. In this example, I used the percentage analysis for this. Below 20, there is a number of 5, then percentage analysis. I apply the formula and calculated the percentage. Then we have to use the countif formula is also. While using the countif formula, you have to use dollar symbol before the total value of the cell. Then this is the table format we have used for in our survey. Age, number of respondents, percentage. The percentage is calculated by 30 into 100. Thank you.